be the sound of your feet upon the ground. Carry on, carry on, carry on. So I met up with some friends at the edge of the night at a bar off 75.